Hello, hello. Welcome back, my friend. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Please sit, relax, and listen. This is a safe place to learn English.
Today, we talk about something very important in daily life.
We talk about plans. Talking about plans in English.
Plans for today, plans for tomorrow, plans for the weekend.
Plans with friends, plans with family, plans for work.
Many learners feel scared to talk about plans.
They think, my English is not good.
Or, I will make a mistake.
But it is okay. Mistakes are normal.
You are learning. You are growing.
And today, we help you feel calm and confident.
Very calm, very simple, very clear.
We use easy words only.
Short sentences only.
And we repeat many times.
Because repetition helps memory.
Yes, repetition helps you speak.
Now, let us start with a small problem.
A daily life problem.
Imagine this. Your friend calls you.
Your friend asks, what are you doing tomorrow?
Your heart beats fast.
You think in your language.
You know the answer.
But in English, you feel stuck.
You say nothing.
Or you say one word only.
Like nothing or busy.
But you want to say more.
You want to talk.
You want to connect.
This lesson is for you.
Yes, this lesson is for you.
Today, you will learn easy English for plans.
Very easy.
Very useful.
Very real.
By the end, you will speak.
You will talk about your plans.
You will feel good.
You can do this.
Let us begin slowly.
Very slowly.
First, one very important word.
The word is plan.
Plan.
A plan is something you want to do.
Something you will do later.
Not now, later.
For example, I have a plan.
I have a plan today.
I have a plan tomorrow.
Simple.
Listen again. Plan.
Plan.
Good.
Now, another very important word.
Today.
Today means now, this day.
Not yesterday.
Not tomorrow.
Today.
For example, today I work.
Today, I study English.
Repeat after me.
Today.
Today.
Good.
Now another word.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow means the next day.
Not today.
The day after today.
Tomorrow.
For example, tomorrow I work.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
Repeat after me.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Very good.
Now another useful word.
Weekend.
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Not work days.
Rest days.
Sundays.
Weekend.
For example, on the weekend, I rest.
On the weekend, I see my family.
Repeat after me.
Weekend.
Weekend.
Nice.
Now we put words together.
Very simple sentences.
Listen first.
I have plans.
I have plans today.
I have plans tomorrow.
I have plans on the weekend.
Simple.
Now repeat after me.
I have plans.
I have plans.
Good. I have plans today.
I have plans today.
Nice. I have plans tomorrow.
I have plans tomorrow.
Very good.
I have plans on the weekend.
I have plans on the weekend.
You are doing great.
Yes, very good.
Now, let us add more meaning.
Because I have plans is okay.
But we want to say what plans.
Yes, what are you doing?
We use very easy verbs.
Easy action words.
For example, go.
Go is very common.
I go to work.
I go home.
I go shopping.
Listen.
Today, I go to work.
Tomorrow, I go shopping.
On the weekend, I go home.
Simple.
Repeat after me.
Today, I go to work.
Today, I go to work.
Good. Tomorrow, I go shopping.
Tomorrow, I go shopping.
Nice. On the weekend, I go home.
On the weekend, I go home.
Very nice.
Another easy verb is meet.
Meet means see people.
See and talk.
For example, I meet my friend.
I meet my family.
Listen.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
On the weekend, I meet my family.
Repeat after me.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
Good. On the weekend, I meet my family.
On the weekend, I meet my family.
Perfect.
Another easy verb is stay.
Stay means you do not go out.
You are at home.
For example, I stay home.
Listen. Today, I stay home.
Tomorrow, I stay home.
Repeat after me.
Today, I stay home.
Today, I stay home.
Good. Tomorrow, I stay home.
Tomorrow, I stay home.
Very good.
Now, let us practice a small question.
Very important.
The question is, what are you doing?
What are you doing today?
What are you doing tomorrow?
Listen first. What are you doing today?
Repeat after me.
What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
Good. Now, answer. Answer with a simple sentence.
For example, today, I work.
Or, today, I stay home.
Or, today, I study English.
Repeat after me.
Today, I study English.
Today, I study English.
Nice.
Now, what are you doing tomorrow?
Answer.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
Repeat.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
Tomorrow, I meet my friend.
Very good.
You see, you are speaking.
Yes, real English.
Now, let us make it more natural.
In real life, people say, I am.
I am working.
I am meeting my friend.
This is very common.
Listen.
Today, I am working.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
On the weekend, I am staying home.
Simple.
Repeat slowly.
Today, I am working.
Today, I am working.
Good. Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Nice. On the weekend, I am staying home.
On the weekend, I am staying home.
Excellent.
You don't need to worry about rules.
Just listen and repeat.
That's enough for now.
Now, let's have a small conversation.
A very easy conversation.
Emily talks. Paul answers.
Hi, Paul. What are you doing today?
Hi, Emily. Today, I'm working.
Oh, okay. What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Nice. What about the weekend?
On the weekend, maybe I go shopping.
Maybe. Okay.
Very simple.
Very natural.
Now, we break it down.
One sentence at a time.
Repeat after us.
Do you have plans today?
Do you have plans today?
Good.
What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
Nice.
Today, I am working in the morning.
Today, I am working in the morning.
Good.
In the evening, I am staying home.
In the evening, I am staying home.
Nice. Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Great. On the weekend, maybe I go shopping.
On the weekend, maybe I go shopping.
Excellent.
You are speaking real English now.
Yes, real-life English.
Now, let us do a small recap.
We learned plans.
We learned today, tomorrow, weekend.
We learned I am working.
We learned I am meeting my friend.
We learned I am staying home.
We learned questions.
What are you doing today?
What are you doing tomorrow?
And answers.
Simple answers.
You don't need long sentences.
Short is good.
Clear is good.
You can do this.
Yes, you can.
Do not be afraid.
Speak slowly.
Speak simply.
English is a tool.
Not a test.
Use it.
Practice every day.
Even one sentence.
Before we end, one more practice.
Repeat after me.
Today, I have plans.
Today, I have plans.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
On the weekend, I am staying home.
On the weekend, I am staying home.
Very good.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
And remember,
You can do this.
we will see you next time.
Bye for now.
Before we go, let us slow down again.
Yes, very slow, very calm.
We want your English to feel easy.
Not fast, not hard.
Easy and friendly.
Now, imagine another daily life moment.
you are at work.
Or maybe at school.
A person asks you, do you have plans later?
This is very common.
Very normal.
Many people ask this.
Let us learn how to answer.
Very simple answers.
First answer,
Yes, I do.
or no, I don't.
Listen.
Do you have plans later?
Yes, I do.
Or no, I don't.
Repeat after me.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Good.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Nice.
Now add one more sentence.
For example,
Yes, I do. I am working.
or no, I don't. I'm staying home.
Listen.
Yes, I do. I am working.
Repeat.
Yes, I do. I am working.
Good.
No, I don't. I'm staying home.
Repeat.
No, I don't. I'm staying home.
Very nice.
This sounds natural.
Very natural English.
Now, another useful word.
The word later.
Later means after now.
Not now.
Later today.
For example, later I work.
Later, I meet my friend.
Listen.
Later today, I am working.
Repeat.
Later today, I am working.
Good.
Later, I am meeting my friend.
Later I am meeting my friend.
Nice.
You see, very easy.
Just small words.
Now another daily word.
Tonight,
Tonight means this night.
not tomorrow night.
Tonight.
For example, tonight, I stay home.
Tonight I watch TV.
Listen.
Tonight I am staying home.
Repeat.
Tonight I am staying home.
Good.
Tonight I am watching TV.
Tonight, I am watching TV.
Very good.
Now, let us practice questions with tonight.
Repeat after me.
What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
Good.
Answer.
Tonight, I am staying home.
Repeat.
Tonight, I am staying home.
Nice.
Or you can say,
Tonight I am meeting my friend.
repeat.
Tonight I am meeting my friend.
Excellent.
Now let us talk about polite answers.
Very important.
Sometimes people ask you to do something.
They ask, do you want to meet?
Or, do you want to go out?
You need to answer politely.
First, saying yes.
Yes, sure.
Or, yes, that sounds good.
Very simple.
Listen.
Do you want to meet tomorrow?
Yes, sure.
Repeat.
Yes, sure.
Good.
Or, yes, that sounds good.
Repeat.
Yes, that sounds good.
Nice.
Now, saying no politely.
This is very important.
Not rude.
Very kind.
You can say, sorry, I can't.
And then give a reason.
Listen.
Sorry, I can't. I am working.
Repeat.
Sorry, I can't. I am working.
Good.
Or, sorry, I can't. I have plans.
Repeat.
Sorry, I can't. I have plans.
Nice.
Very polite.
Very kind.
Now, a small conversation.
Listen.
Hi, Emily. Do you want to meet tomorrow?
Sorry, I can't. I am working.
Okay, maybe another day.
Yes, maybe another day.
Simple.
Very real.
Now, you try.
Imagine I ask you.
Do you want to meet tomorrow?
Answer politely.
Good.
Very good.
Now, another common mistake.
Some learners say, I have a plan tomorrow. I am working.
This is too long and mixed.
Not this.
But this.
Tomorrow, I am working.
Simple.
Or, I have plans tomorrow. I am working.
Two short sentences.
Short is better.
Remember that.
Now, let us practice more speaking.
Repeat after us.
Tomorrow, I have plans.
Tomorrow, I have plans.
On the weekend, I am staying home.
On the weekend, I am staying home.
Tonight, I am watching TV.
Tonight, I am watching TV.
Very good.
You are building confidence.
Yes, step by step.
Now, one more long conversation.
Listen and feel the rhythm.
Hi, Paul. What are you doing later today?
Later today, I am working.
Okay, what about tonight?
Tonight I am staying home.
Do you have plans tomorrow?
Yes, I do. Tomorrow I am meeting my friend.
That sounds good.
Yes, I am excited.
What about the weekend?
On the weekend, maybe I stay home.
Maybe. Sounds nice.
Calm conversation.
Easy English.
Now repeat some lines.
Repeat after me.
What are you doing later today?
What are you doing later today?
Good.
Later today, I am working.
Later today, I am working.
Nice.
Tonight, I am staying home.
Tonight, I am staying home.
Very good.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Tomorrow, I am meeting my friend.
Excellent.
Now, let us help your memory.
We repeat again.
Plans.
Today,
Tomorrow.
weekend,
Tonight.
later.
I am working.
I am meeting my friend.
I am staying home.
These are your tools.
Use them every day.
Small sentences.
Real life.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes mean learning.
We are happy you are learning.
Before we end, one last motivation.
You do not need perfect English.
You need brave English.
Speak even if it is simple.
Simple is good.
Simple is strong.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you for trusting us.
Keep listening to English.
Keep speaking English.
One sentence a day is enough.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye.